DaLL-E 3 the game changer overtaking Midjourney, how to create with stunning examples. Midjourney is losing ground. OpenAI's DaLL-E 3 is a game changer. Here's how to use it with amazing examples. 1. Open Bing. Visit https://bing.com/images/create. Create a new free account. 2. Enter the prompt. Now, simply enter the prompt in the text box. Then, click on Create. Boom. Wait to see the magic. Example 1. Photography. Prompt: a close-up photo of a tabby cat in a police uniform, a stock photo. Example 2. 3D images. Prompt: 3D render of a cute lemon character relaxing on the beach, sipping on a tropical drink. The speech bubble reads, "Don't worry, it's not lemonade." Example 3. Meme generation. Prompt: a meme of frog holding its Monday and I hate everything AR1:1. Example 4. Imagination. Prompt: Thanos vs Thanos, a cosmic duel, 1S250 AR1:1. Example 5. Logo generation. Prompt: a sleek logo of a fox featuring a modern abstract design, monochrome style, contemporary aesthetic, transparent background. Example 6. Creativity. Prompt: Iron Man holding a banner with "Follow me on X+:4. Elon's charismatic presence and determined gaze, 3. Sleek and modern design of the banner, 3. Mystery surrounding the X platform, 2. A call to connect with a visionary, 2. S250 AR16:9.